Hi everybody, this is Matt, and as you saw in an earlier video, I changed out my striker spring because I was getting too many really hard primer strikes on the Glock. So let's function test it and make sure everything's okay. That looks all right. Okay, there's the primer strike. I like that a lot better. Okay, we'll go down range here, take a look at it. Pretty much ragged hole. There's the spread. Can't really beat that. And I'll go ahead and I'll apologize for some of the shaky camera work. It's just me, one guy, one camera, that's it. Until next time, all of you be safe out there. Have a great one.